Welcome to the DSB video channel. This video is about providing feedback in the Consumer Data Standards GitHub repositories. This is the second in a series of videos on CDS GitHub and assumes you have watched the first video, Introduction to CDS GitHub. We also recommend watching video 24, the CDS Consultation Process, for the overall context of standards consultation. As discussed in the video Introduction to CDS GitHub, the DSB creates decision proposals, noting papers, and design papers as issues in the standards repository. CDR participants provide feedback by commenting on the issues. DSB representatives and others respond to the comments. To add a comment to a GitHub issue, you need to create a free account with GitHub. Your comments are then identified with your GitHub ID. To create an account, go to github.com and choose Sign Up. The Standards Repository README on the Code tab homepage includes rules of engagement for providing feedback. We ask that contributors follow the GitHub Community Forum Code of Conduct and follow additional guidelines. For example, we ask for a single considered response to each proposal, covering all feedback concerning the proposal. We also ask that you indicate any associated organization whose views your feedback may represent. Open the GitHub Consumer Data Standards repository and navigate to the Issues tab. You can navigate directly to a noting paper, design paper, or other issue if you know its issue number. For example, to navigate directly to DP338, use the URL https://github.com Consumer Data Standards Australia Standards Issues 338. You may submit sensitive or contentious commentary via contact@consumerdatastandards.gov.au. However, for the feedback to be considered for consultation, some part must be published as commentary on the GitHub issue, visible to all participants. This aligns with our transparency principle. Comments on open and closed issues are welcome at any time. However, your comments on an open consultation with the label Open for Feedback may directly affect the outcome of the consultation. You add comments in the comment form at the bottom of the issue. Choose Add a Comment. You can write a comment in plain text, but for an extended comment, you may wish to provide formatted text. GitHub allows formatting using a markup language called Markdown. Markdown provides simple but effective formatting, including headings, bullet points, bold and italic text, simple tables, and more. Follow the link Markdown is supported below the comment form for a guide to formatting with Markdown. In the comment form, choose the default right tab to type in your plain text or Markdown formatted comment. To see the results of your formatting, choose the Preview tab. You can also attach a file to your comment. Choose the Attach icon to select from your files. Alternatively, paste or drag and drop files into the text area. You can create a PDF with formatting as complex as you wish and simply attach it to the comment. GitHub comments are the basis of Consumer Data Standards consultation. Comments are both simple and flexible, allowing simple text or formatting as complex as required. By following the rules of engagement, you can contribute to the Consumer Data Standards as a good CDR community member.